So the next logical operator that I want to talk about is this one. So can you see where's the sign? So this is the operator that I want to talk about. Let's comment this out. And what happens is, whenever I am just, let me copy this one because I don't want to write this again. So the way this works, I could just simply work with this one. So the way this works, here C is greater than B, meaning 30 is greater than 20, and B is less than A. B is not less than A because B is 20 and A is 10, so B is greater than A, but this value is not true. Therefore I am not seeing this. So if I just save this one, I should be saying no, you're not, because it will give me this output. But if I just wanna write here these two straight lines, then this means either this or this can be true in order to give the output of this. So C is greater than B, 30 is greater than 20, so this is true, but this is not. B is not greater than A, B is not less than A, B is greater than A, so this is false. This is false, but this is true, so it will eventually give me this output as I have used this logical operator OR. So this is logical operator OR, and if I just save this one, you can see you're awesome. Yeah, I know. So this is the way you can actually use logical operator. So when you are using logical operator, either one of the condition has to be true. If none of the condition is true, like if this is less than B as well, then it won't show me this output anymore. No, you're not. But if I just have one condition correct, then it will give me this output. You're awesome. Yeah, you're awesome. So the person who is watching my video is awesome as well. So you are awesome. Take a bow. So yeah, that is the second logical operator, and yeah, I guess that is it.